Hi scientists! Today we have a really fun experiment that we're going to do with these candy containers. We put 2 teaspoons of baking soda into our empty candy container, poured a little bit of vinegar, and pushed that lid on tight. And look, oh my, it is soaring. That happens because the baking soda is a base and the vinegar is an acid. And when acids and bases react, they make a lot of gas, and that gas builds up pressure that pushes that lid way off of your container. It's a really fun and easy experiment that you can try at home. Just make sure that you keep your face away from the container. You don't want that vinegar to get in your eyes as it explodes out of there, and you definitely don't want to get hit with that lid of the container. And you can do this with all kinds of these containers. We have a heart-shaped one, but they make all kinds of shapes of these for all different holidays and seasons. And it's just a really fun way to reuse our empty candy containers. And I have some other experiments on my channel that you can do with the candy that comes inside the containers too. But even if you ate all that candy up, you can reuse this container and give this a try. I hope you get to try it at home. Be safe, and until next time, keep discovering.